What's up YouTube, this is Kareem808 and welcome back to my channel, to another video. Today is a special day because, drumroll, we're moving to the UK and we're gonna say goodbye to our house. And goodbye Leela 7, we're never gonna see you ever again. And we're actually moving out of this house. And today we're doing, welcome to my first trip report on YouTube. Today's trip report is gonna be British Airways BA108 from Dubai to London Heathrow. And I'm gonna be flying economy class today on British Airways. 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm pretty exhausted, and back in London it's around like 4 hours, so it's like 3:30 a.m. so I don't know if I'll be very tired. And our driver Shirin is gonna take us to the airport. Actually, we're departing British Airways from Dubai International Airport Terminal 1, and Terminal 1 is a terminal with all the international airlines. And this is the terminal for British Airways. The main hub is at London Heathrow. They depart from lots of airports in London. They depart like from a lot of airports. I'll name them all. They fly from Heathrow, Gatwick, Stansted, and London City, London Luton, and they depart from Manchester, Newcastle, and Leeds. And also British Airways, the plane has first class, business class, premium economy, which is I'm gonna explain to you what guys premium economy is, because I know you won't understand. It's economy but more to the front, and then back is economy, and we're going economy. And we chose a choice between them because we have a lot of luggage, and these were the suitcases, so we decided to go British Airways because they're allowed to bring us like extra luggage. Guys, we arrived at Dubai Airport. We're in Terminal 1 now. And this is British Airways depart from this terminal and all the other airlines, not Emirates, not Fly Dubai. Now we're going to be going to the check-in for BA, British Airways. And one thing, our flight is delayed like 1 hour and 6 minutes. Like, it's so weird. Like, British Airways or BA could have sent us a notification saying this flight is delayed. This is the check-in. So guys, over here you have a club work, like lounges, and here you can check in for first class, which is the coolest. And the rest is Club World. And this is the British Airways check-in. And Terminal 1 looks like a modern terminal. It has a good check-in place. And it looks like it's not crowded. It's not crowded. It's just like 8:15 a.m. And I'm happy our flight is late, so we can just check in and get food from the airport and go to the flight. And now we're going to maybe go to the passport control on the X-ray machine. Then after that, go to duty free, and of course, as you know, I'm on a gluten-free and dairy-free diet. Get food from the airport, from the lounge, or maybe from a restaurant upstairs. Over here, we're passing through the smart gates.
Thank you.
Now we're in the passport control. And guys, something about the smart gate. You're not allowed to use smart gates in the DXB airport until you're like 16 or above 16. Like, it's so weird because in Abu Dhabi, when I go through Abu Dhabi airport, once I flew from Abu Dhabi on Etihad, they allowed us to use smart gates.
Okay.
It's so weird how they don't let us in Dubai airport use smart gates. So now we're going to gate to the terminal concourse. So we're gonna D32 and we're gonna see you in the monorail. Taking the monorail or the train, or what you call it, like a metro tram, to the gates D1 to D32, because I think my gate is on the D side, and that's what I know. And this monorail takes you to all gates.
Please hold on.
And you can see the Emirates planes.
Passengers are reminded that boarding gate information will be posted 90 minutes prior to flight departure.
Monorail or the train was a good idea. The gate. This is actually one of the biggest airports in the planet, Terminal 1 and 3. And actually, this plane took us to this concourse. And what is so weird about it is that the train didn't have any seats, and it was all cramped, and it was all like a Disney train. Now we're gonna be going to the concourse. This is the have lots of shops. And it looks very nice. Have everything like L'Oreal lighting and all these perfume shops and accessory shops. You have electronics, gifts from Dubai. And it's weird over here that this takes you actually to Terminal 3. And guys, we will see you guys, and I'm sure to review the lounge. Okay, so now I'm in the lounge. So I'm gonna review the food. And over here, this is hummus. Hummus means chickpeas. And here's some lemon juice and some spices. So tasty. Smell the richness of the chickpeas, mustard, and the hummus. And now, here's some musa'a. Musa'a is basically Egyptian eggplants or Arabic eggplants with tomato sauce and vegetables. So tasty. And now I'm gonna eat some lettuce. This is what I'm having for now. This is like dates and Arabic coffee. So basically, dates are very healthy. They have good fiber. Everyone should be eating dates, where they come from anywhere in the world. This is very healthy. You can have this for a snack. And over here, it's weird, they have Arabic coffee, but it's so hot. I'll tell you, and I'll review it when it's not hot. So now I'm gonna give you the verdict of the Arabic coffee. So tasty. There's a smell of cardamom and also a smell of rose water. It's weird. Hot. And it's so flavorful. I can't even be awake after drinking all of this coffee. Boarding gate D9, and we're actually gonna be on British Airways, and the scheduled departure was at 10:05, but it was delayed unfortunately like 55 minutes. Really tough. And it's actually operated by Aer Lingus, Iberia, and American Airlines. And the gate will be closing at 10:40. So 10 minutes we have to go into the jet bridge, and we'll see you in the plane and in the jet bridge. When we were walking into this British Airways plane, it was so weird because they called one group at each time, and walking down the jet bridge which was way comfortable. And actually, look at the legroom, guys. Looks like the legroom is very good. Like this is even better than Emirates. What are you expecting? And this type of plane is called a Boeing 747-400, and we're actually going to be on our way to London Heathrow. And if you've watched any airline review, guys, the basic three things will be for the amenities kit, and then second we will show you the food and the entertainment at last. Now we're going to be showing it to you all today. So now let's get on with the review. So over here we have this cozy pillow. And here, what's so special is if you want to sleep, you can. These two sides are actually very comfortable because they don't tilt your head, and it's look like you're in premium economy. And guys, the TV section over here. So let's see the entertainment on this flight. It's like English movies, like there's a lot of selection of movies. Like here there's like a lot of adult movies. And let's check the Britain movies. So there are lots of Britain movies. And guys, entertainment is actually absolutely critical. I mean, like on a flight like 8 hours and 10 minutes, entertainment is the most critical thing. I'm not joking. Now, let's get on with the review. So over here, we finished our pillow. Now here's some they serve you complimentary headphones. Over here we have the blankets, and this is like a furry blanket. It's so I can sleep this whole flight. And over here, this is the Boeing. This is the thing for the safety instructions, and you have some safety. You have some magazines. We'll sure to be showing you what movie I'm gonna watch, and we'll sure to be showing you breakfast and lunch and the food when it arrives. Off from the beautiful Dubai airport, and this is the beautiful Dubai, and we're now going to be filming you getting the plane getting up in the sky. Off. Oman Air is next to us. Oman Air is next to us. It looks like we're both operating.
Looks like a race. Airplane race.
This is like an air show actually, guys. And now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna take off in about a second.
Actually, this is the gluten-free and dairy
It looks like it will rain. Look, the sky is not clear. And it looks like snow. It looks like we're on a land of snow. It's so weird. I hope we have a good time, and for sure we will see when we get in from the jet bridge to the Terminal 5 arrival area. So this is the beautiful London. It's all greenery and it looks like a forest. And it looks like a pond where we're gonna eat fish and chips. About 4:04 p.m. and it looks like it's gonna sunset now. Sunset's so early. Dubai sets so late. Alright, Alhamdulillah, salam everyone. Welcome to London. We arrived at Heathrow Airport and we're now gonna enter Terminal 5 and we'll see you in the arrival area when we get out of our gates.
Providing you do not require a stamp within your passport and you are over the age of 12. Those aged 12 to 15 must be accompanied by an adult.
And we arrived at Terminal 5, the British Airways terminal. And now it's a long wait. And it's good to be home in London, which is a lovely and nice place, a place where everyone loves, where everyone wants to go there. And thank you for British Airways for bringing us like before rush hour. Thank you British Airways for bringing us from Dubai to Heathrow Airport. Also, I want to say a big message on Facebook. I miss you all, and hopefully inshallah we'll make more videos, and stay tuned. And also we got our luggage, and now
so he's doing like this the whole trip.
We just decided to jump into a taxi and we're gonna head to our hotel where we're gonna stay for a few days. It is 30 minutes from the airport.
It'll probably take us more because it's rush hour.
And I wanted to check the time back in Dubai, and the time back in Dubai is actually like 9:55 p.m. So, or even like more, it's like even like 10:55 p.m. It's like 10:55 p.m. So it's nearly 11 p.m. So I'm completely tired. And tomorrow, inshallah, we'll make another video for the hotel review. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you like my videos, also comment and turn on the bell so you can see every video I post. And we'll see you next time. Much love and God bless you all from London, UK.